Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reply or forward emails with template text in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account so all your emails can load properly. This ensures you have access to your inbox and all the features you'll need for managing your email templates. Once your emails have loaded, navigate to your inbox pane where all your emails and email folders are located. This is the main area where you'll see your incoming messages organized by folder. From here, find a sample email that you want to reply to or forward using template text. Once you've located the email, right-click on it to bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, you can choose either reply or forward. The great thing is that both options follow the exact same process when it comes to using template text, so whichever action you need, the steps remain consistent. After clicking reply or forward, an email composition window will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll draft your message. Now direct your attention to the top part of the screen and look for the View Templates option. Click on it to proceed. Once you do, a right side panel will slide open, displaying all the templates you've created or have available for email replies and forwards. This panel gives you quick access to pre-written messages that can save you tons of time, especially if you frequently send similar responses or need to maintain consistency in your communication. From the list of templates that appears, simply double-click on the template you wish to use. The template text will automatically populate in your email composition window, allowing you to send professional, consistent replies or forwards without typing the same message over and over again. Now, if you'd like to create a new template that you can use for future emails, click on the plus template button located at the bottom of the templates panel. Once you click this, the window will transform into a clean template creation interface. Start by entering a title for your template so you can easily identify it later. Then, add the message content you want to include in the template. This could be a standard greeting, a frequently used response, or any text you find yourself typing repeatedly. After you've entered your title and content, click Save to store your new template. Once saved, your template will be added to your email templates list and you can access it anytime you need. All you have to do is double-click on it whenever you're replying to or forwarding an email, and it will instantly populate your message with the template text. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to reply or forward emails with template text in Outlook, making your email management faster and more efficient. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.